The reason why I'm asking the gentleman for the meets and bounds to our claim on our maritime rights is because until today, I would like to believe that there has not been any specific computation or coordinates of the West Philippine Sea. I'd like to ask if is the limit.
Ito kasi sinasabi ni Marcoleta. Until now, wala naman tayong mapa na asan ba yung West Philippine Sea. Hindi alam nyo kung bakit. Para ikaw magkaroon ng claim sa pangkaragatan, which is in the international waters, it has to be acknowledged by different countries. At this moment, tumingin kayo ng mapa sa ibang bansa. Tayo lang ang naglagay ng West Philippine Sea dyan. Sa ibang bansa, South China Sea pa rin ang tawag dyan. Nagigets nyo? Tayo lang ang meron na West Philippine Sea. Yan yung sinasabi na ni Marcoleta noon pa. Kaya nga dapat i-define natin asan ba yung West Philippine Sea? Mula saan ba yon? So that when we claim it, sasabihin natin mula dito hanggang dito, yan ang West Philippine Sea.